What do you do if you're stuck up here in a tornado? Well, the general rule of thumb is to be as physically low as possible. So if you're on the lower levels and the building has a basement that you can safely get to, go there. And if it doesn't have a basement, then head to the lowest level. Once you're there, you want to go to an innermost windowless room or designated shelter if they have one. This often includes stairwells or bathrooms. It's important to remember that windows are extraordinarily dangerous and you want to avoid them at all costs. Now, once you're actually in shelter, you're going to want to crouch down low, put your head down, and protect the back of your head with your hands and arms. But what about the upper levels? You're obviously not going to have time to get to the lowest level. You're essentially going to do the same thing. You're going to go to an innermost windowless room, but in this case, the stairwell is a really good option. Not only does it fit that description, but it'll allow you to descend to lower levels if it's not crowded. And don't even think about taking an elevator because the power could easily get knocked out. And as always, guys, stay safe and keep chasing.